We out here, 40 cal. You know what I'm saying?
XDM.
Hey,
brand new.
Fresh.
700.
Fresh.
700.
Oh, my bad. Let me do it the right way.
What up? Strap. What up? Springfield Army 40, nigga.
We out here. We out here. We about that.
That's Clifford. That's a big dog, G. He barking.
Nigga Zoe over there loading up the K.
Yeah.
You see it?
Yeah.
Hold it up.
Always strap. Hold on, I got you. Hold up.
Let me clean up my mess.
Always strap. Got the K. 9 on the hip. I got a little something. Glock 23.
Nah, you ain't got no more bullets?
Nah, I let all them junks go. Glock 23, 40 cal. Letting the K off. Letting the K off.
Let it off.
About to get a kick out.
Right. Yeah, I'm about to say my bullets going. I don't care. We can get kicked out.
Okay. Show them what's on your hip. What up?
You know?
Stainless steel, Sig 9.
The Smith is so.
All them shells niggas been shooting. Oh, I gotta bust off one shot with the 40. They gotta know what the
You gotta hear a nigga bark.
They gotta know what the
quick.
Glock sound like. I'm just gonna shoot one.
Swag.
I had to let them know what it sound like. Gotta save my shells though.
We naked right now. We gotta get to the whip. We naked. We gotta get back to the whip, man.
Whoop.
I don't need all that.
Whoop. Hold on, man. Put them on the table.
Oh,
AS.
Oh, just.
AS in this bitch.
Oh shit, you loaded?
Yeah.
Gun safety and shit. But AS in this bitch, nigga. And we out.